Welcome back, everyone. This is part 4 of Corn Harvest 2022. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so in this episode, tractor wagon's out. As we said in the last video, that field's done. Now we are starting all of this right here. Shouldn't take us horribly long. We're going to start the dryer back up here in a little bit, and then we can just start going and keep going. So that's kind of the plan. Once the dryer's going, we can keep dumping in the bin, and then we can knock most of this out. So let's keep doing. Yeah, I bet it was a sad day, the day that they discontinued the Maximizers. Those old Deere combines are just something else. Amazing. We're running all our corn into the dryer, and then it runs into that auger right there, which takes it into our cooling bin. Pretty simple, pretty simple. So we have a little bit left in that field. A few more wagon loads, maybe like 2 or 3 more. And then all that's left after that is just drying and cooling and getting all that done. And then we should be good.
Alright guys, I'm taking the combine right now. He's gonna take the wagon up and dump it, so I'm gonna get a little video of it for you guys here. So alright, so we got just a little bit over here. As I said, he's taking the wagon up. I'm gonna dump that, or gonna load another one, and then we might have to wait a bit because the dryer is getting, well, the dryer can only dry so much at a time, and the wet bin's getting full. So, meantime, I'm gonna load the grain tank once, and then when it comes back, we'll dump it, and basically, you know the routine. Yeah. Alright, so my other brother, he's out here. He's going to run the combine a bit too. We're going to dump the load that's currently in here, and then we're going to pick just from right there over to there. Not that much. We should be good to go. The wagon's empty, so we're just going to keep picking. So, yeah. Corn 2022, ladies and gentlemen. Done. Corn 2022 is wrapped up. All right, guys, we're done with the harvest. Everything's back up at the farmstead. Now we just need to finish drying everything. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one, guys.